guys, let's play a game called What's Inside La Backpackadora. So, first we have a book from the library. Okay, that's gotta go back to the school. An Apache helicopter. Oh, that's from a project I did a while back. Okay, so that gets to stay at home. A bag full of Legos. I'm a smart child. English notes. The keep in backpack piles are on this side. The I need to do something with side is over there. Right. A Lego plate from project. Ha, most important. Lunchbox. Excusez-moi. Highlighter number 1. Pen. Trash. That's all. Now, the pocket, that's all. Horticulture folder. Econ folder with nothing in it because I've done everything for that class, specifically. That class. History folder. Favorite one out of them all. Okay, English folder. English notes go in English folder. That's important to know. Note to my favorite YouTuber, which will probably never get to him in a million years. So, yay. Just pull the rest out, and a bunch of paper, which is extremely necessary. And a physics folder. In that pocket. Oh, I saw something else. Apparently not. Okay. Next pocket. Shorts. Test ball. Deodorant. Not close deodorant, for that matter of fact. This pocket. A thingy. Not gonna open that because it says not to. Let's pocket up. Out of date inhaler. Well, not out of date until June, but still. Next pocket's up. A bacon bookmark. Put the inhaler back in there so I don't forget. A fidget cube and more trash. Fidget cube is more important. Top pocket. We got eraser, pencil lead, whiteout, and number 2. Chapstick. Glue. That's bad to have them right beside each other, and an eraser. Is that all? Yes, it is. Oh, very front pocket. Let's see what this goes. This thing forever. Charger. Deck of cards. Quarters. Yes. Add to the change collection. Boom. Ouch, my butt. Alright, so now we got the side pockets. An old bottle of water, which has to go to the trash can. And just the side pocket left. Let's see what we got. Highlighter, 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 highlighter. I did not have 6 of them. Pencils, colored ones, normal ones, another colored one, pen, Sharpie, hand sanitizer. Boom, done. video over. See ya.